Okay guys, here we have the setup of the No1 Deep Clean DPF machine. As you see, it's from a Volkswagen, and the importance of this one is, this machine, is that you can go this way in or that way in. All you have to do is change these two, this one and this one. That's all you have to do to change direction. So it's just one setup. You click the hose off, put it on the other one, click the other one off, put it on this one. Then you have another circle. You can go both ways on this machine. That's what makes it important. The difference between other machines. Here you have only one power cord. One power cord. You don't see any hoses that makes the water come to the machine, because it's all in here. This goes back into the turn. This is the return, and this is the input of the motor, and it goes through the machine, through the DPF, and comes back to the return. And this filter is of another importance. Here you can see it's black. It's still dirty. You have to go on till it's like this color. That's all you got to do with this machine. Okay? You press this button and the water starts flowing. Be careful that you have all the hoses open. All the valves got to be open. See, it's open. This is closed. See, you got to open it. So now the water can flow. See, now it's open. Now you can start it. This is for safety. For any reason things get loose, they don't go nowhere with this safety rope, okay? So this is it. We're gonna clean this machine. We're gonna clean this DPF filter of the Volkswagen. And all we have to do is look at the filter. Okay guys, now we're gonna start it up. Clean the filter. As you see, it's clean. One more time. The DPF filter is now clean. So now we're going to change tactics. The circulation, I'm going to take this one off and put it on there, and that one comes up here. So the circulation goes the other direction, okay? I'm going to fix it now. Okay, one more thing. As you see here, the heat. It's off now because it's on 50 degrees Celsius. So when it goes down 50, the light goes up. So now I change the direction. From here, it goes this way. First, this one was here. So now we're gonna change direction. First time it went like this. And now we go like this, both ways. Just change the hoses here and here. And you go different directions. That's the beauty of this machine. So you're gonna start it one more time in a second. As you can see, the filter is clean, so it's already clean. But I want to go both ways, just to make sure. Let's go. See, stays clean. This way you're sure that it's clean. 50 degrees water goes through. It doesn't even take 1 bar because it's clean. That's what it says. Okay, one more time, just to make sure. Bam, stays clean. See, that's what a filter says. This one. It was black before, now it's white. This DPF filter is now clean.